Just imagine this. You walk through the door after a very long, busy day at work or your business place, and bam! The aroma of absolutely delicious, utolicious, yummilicious food hits you like a warm hug. And then you walk to the kitchen, and there is this absolutely inviting chicken with broccoli. Oh my God, waiting for you to devour. This is very quick and easy recipe. All you need is 2 main ingredients, chicken and broccoli, and a few spices, and you make yourself some very tasty meal. And it's tasting time. The moment of truth.